there, REC TEC family, Chef Greg here with you. We're doing a really nice recipe. We're gonna smoke and candy some nuts. So I've got about 2 pounds of mixed nuts, and really look for the unsalted ones if you can. And spend the money, buy the nuts that are whole. You definitely wanna get the ones that are broken up. We're gonna season this up with about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. And again, spring for the good stuff. And we're looking just to coat the outside of those nuts a little bit. And we're going to season this up with a Rossarooski's Honey Rib Rub for some good sweet heat. So again, those nuts are just barely coated in that maple syrup, and that'll give us a nice sugary crust. We'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the rib rub. We've got our RT680 set at 180. We've gone ahead and put a grill mat down so we can lay these nuts right on the top. We'll let these cook for about 45 minutes or so. Let's go ahead and get this in the REC TEC. Now these are delicious to serve nice and warm, but if you're going to save them for later, go ahead and put them on a cookie sheet, spread them out a little bit and let them cool, and I guarantee you they will be no leftovers. So when it's time to bring out a good snack for your next party, try candying some nuts.